In this video, we are going to show you how to create transfer order using CloudExtend Excel Data Management for NetSuite. I will be showing the template structure and then create new records after the template has been built. Let's determine the fields that I need. Let's open NetSuite. This is the create form of your transfer order, and then Excel. I already prepared the template beforehand. For the header level fields, I added tran date, tran ID, and memo. I also included the order status. It is important to have from location and to location. At the item level, I need item and the quantity field. Now that the template is ready, let's create a new record. Records with the same header level values will be treated as one record in NetSuite. For example, I want to create one record with 10 line items. You can use formulas. Let's use a formula for the date field. Then CloudExtend will know if the field that you will be using is a list type field. Let's add location value. Notice that in the CloudExtend panel, the list of location will show. I can choose from the list, use the search box, or I can also type ahead on the cell. Make sure you have enough characters for the easy lookup. Whenever you let CloudExtend look up for the item, it will contain the internal ID. That means if you know the internal ID of the items, you can just enter the internal ID and wrap it in double bracket. NetSuite will be able to determine the value that you want to send to NetSuite. It is faster to send data since it's like a direct mapping. Let me just go to the transfer location and I will add San Mateo here. And let's repeat the header level details depending on the number of lines that I want to create. At the line level, I will paste the item details and put the quantity associated with it. You can prepare the data beforehand because it's easy to copy and paste entries from one source file to your CloudExtend template. I'm ready to send this. Let's click Upload to NetSuite button and upload records to send all the data that I have inside my CloudExtend table. This was created successfully since I have the internal ID value here and it's highlighted in green. You need to get familiar with how your form works in NetSuite. In my template, I have the order status and description field, but did not put any details when I was entering data. Now that the internal ID was generated after the record has been created in NetSuite, I can go to Reload Records. And let's reload this. The information from NetSuite will stream down to your Excel. And you see that the return value, it gave me the tran ID, the order status, and description. It was automatically populated in NetSuite. So there's no need for you to put values using your CloudExtend template. I like putting tran ID on my template. The tran ID is something that you can search on your NetSuite search. So let's copy and paste the tran ID value. And this is the record. Here are the header details with the location and to location. This record has the line level values as well. Hope you find this worthwhile. Thanks for watching.